has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam, oh. The table has turned around, don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina.
You forgot what's your name.
You
put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina.
You forgot what's your name.
You
put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble.
Of
ambition.
Destroy.
You put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition. Destroy.
With your ambition.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy.
You have lost all
of ambition. Destroy.
You want a good life. By the grace of God, it was given to you. But with your evil character, you destroy what God gave to you. Now you want to run away. Now you want to run away. Apatari no son,
Bambari bamba. She want to run
Apatari no
away.
son,
Bambari bamba.
Apatari no son,
Bambari bamba. She want to run
Apatari no
away.
son,
Bambari bamba.
Apatari no son,
Bambari bamba. She want to run away. Bambari bamba. Bambari bamba. She want to run away. Bambari bamba.
The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam, oh. The table has turned around, don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble.
Of
ambition.
Destroy.
You put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition. Destroy.
With your ambition.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up.
Oh yes, the eagle has landed. I just flew into town. Okay, you can say that again. Never. No. I am not seeing anyone right now. I am not seeing you girls too. You know, I've had a long day already, so I'll just move into my house, take a warm shower, sleep, and think of what next to do. Of course. No, Baby girl, can you just calm down? I said I'll sleep and sleep again. The next way is no way to the direction you're headed right now. Trust me. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing any of that. You see this lady right here? She's a child of God. A dedicated child of God at that. Okay, fine. You just get off my phone. Silly you. Oh.
My name is Glamo Keke. I'm the supervisor here, ma'am.
My name is Chioma Okafo, Chef Chi. I'm the cook here.
My name is Caroline Weke. I'm the cleaner here.
My name is Jumbo Okonji. I'm the gate man.
Namibi David Omai. I'll be the driver. The family driver.
Good. I did not ask you to reintroduce yourselves because I did not know what I employed you for. But to make sure the job specifications rings a bell in everybody's head. 100,000 naira salary won't be bad in this present economy, is it? I don't think so. You will get paid so well, so you can offer your services effortlessly and diligently. For the records, my fiancé returns from abroad soonest, and we'll walk down the aisle together. I want every department to be up and doing. Hard work could attract salary increment. Non-diligence to work could also attract a slash from your salary. You must stick to the manuals, rules and regulations guiding this home. Now go and work. Work for your salary increment, or you work for a slash from your salary. You can now go.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Listen to me, mellow your temper, put your video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Bilionaire was back before. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of Bilionaire go be my husband, yo. Love more. Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you Chinemere, oh, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you madam. Oh, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Chinemere, listen to me, mellow your temper, put your video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only only son of billionaire, go be my husband, yo. Love more.
Obodo Imo billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. We are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become a hugger tomorrow.
Lower your actions. We are all human beings.
Chinemeremwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper, put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because
Obodo Imo billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imo billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of billionaire, go be my husband, yo. Love more.
Obodo Imo billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imo billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imo billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
Well, look why you Chinemere onwere onye mechi yo.
Lower your actions. We are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become a hugger.
Lower your actions. We are all human beings.
Well, look why you madam onwere onye mechi yo.
Lower your actions. We are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become a hugger tomorrow.
Lower your actions. We are all human beings.
Chinemeremwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper, put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because
Obodo Imo billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imo billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of billionaire, go be my husband, yo. Love more.
Obodo Imo billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imo billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imo billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
Well, look why you Chinemere onwere onye mechi yo.
Lower your actions. We are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become a hugger tomorrow.
Lower your actions. We are all human beings.
this? Did you wash this car?
Yes, ma, I did.
Shut up. So, you want to infect me?
I'm sorry.
Is this what you're paid for? So you wash some part of a car and leave the other part?
I'm sorry.
I don't blame you lowlifes. You don't know how to make money. So how then will you know how to maintain a good skin and prevent it from skin infections?
I'm sorry.
Hey. Come here. Did you supervise the washing of this car?
Yes, ma.
Shut it. Go there. Go right there and have your nails kissing the ground.
Sorry, ma'am.
You heard me loud and clear. Go there and kneel. A punishment for negligence of duty.
Sorry, ma'am. Do you have to humiliate me like this before the people I supervise?
Now, or you get yourself fired already.
Chinemeremwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper, put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because
Bilionaire was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Bilionaire was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of billionaire go be my husband, yo. Love more.
Bilionaire was that.
2 minutes. You have 2 minutes to wash my car properly. Or you have 20% of your salary slashed.
I'm sorry. Okay, ma.
I don't like dirty people. You're just a dirty pig.
Chinemeremwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper, put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because
Bilionaire was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Bilionaire was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of billionaire go be my husband, yo. Love more.
Bilionaire was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Bilionaire was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Bilionaire was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
Wait, Seth. See, don't try me. As no one wait, make the water just touch everywhere. No, this is only the hungry. I don't want
my front
now. Calm down. I'm listening to shit up here. Oh, come on, we go.
Let the turn up.
Calm down. How the poor guy is now? Calm down.
Yo, go to show nothing. So yeah, we do. See. Take your time to go. My phone you over. Take your time to go. My phone you over. I got working on it. I'm not back way because this shall fún ẹ.
Issue for what?
O lè ní ẹ.
Akim Garia. I'm trying to get.
Wọ́n sá fún ẹ. Wọ́n sá fún ẹ. Má bẹ̀rẹ̀ kí ni wọ́n sá fún ẹ. Kò ní dà fún ayé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ibo wèrè. Ní dà fún ẹ.
Hey, what are you doing here in the city? Have you forgotten your job specifications here? You are a common driver. A driver stands by the car and not in the city. Now, return to your duty post. You lazy, common moron.
Servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam, oh, where on your metio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Chinemeremwa, listen to me, mellow your temper. To a video, can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because
Wait, let me call you back. Is this not my husband's car? Now what can be this now? My husband said this car will be at the mechanic throughout this month. Now the parts to repair it is not yet in the market. I don't get it. Mark, you are here. When did you pick our car from the mechanic without telling me? And I checked to work today. including my husband. Where is he?
Okay. Madam.
Where is my husband? Where is he?
So, babes, I think I should give you guys a lift. This is my car.
Did you just call this a car?
Of course, that's my car.
This Nigeria citizen, your fellow citizen, is what you are calling a car. Excuse you? Are you trying to insult us or what? Huh? No, wait. You expect I, Lizzie, the hottest babe in town, the happening chick, to enter this gura? This tuke? This should be an iron condemned now. What's that?
Wait, ladies, please, you need to calm down. I didn't mean to insult you.
Okay, shut up, boo! Shut your mouth, you already insulted us. Which one is it? You can give us a ride. This is your car. Is this one a car? Oh, God. Please, calm down. Are you making me lose my cool? What's this? What's the meaning of this? How can you insult us? Huh? Wait, like, I feel like I'm suffocating. What's this? Oh my goodness. It's okay, dear friend. It's okay, please. Let's just assume it's a mistake. Guy, you the F up now.
How?
What do you mean how? Eh? You not get eyes, you know they see. You look us finish, you not fear. Eh? Is it because of the food of how much? When you buy for us, you don't came and say we should enter this thing. You actually call this a car? God of Nazareth. Are you kidding me? Wait.
Really?
What is really? Wait a minute. You are insulting us already, you know, yeah? No, you are insulting us already, you know, yeah? Is it because we told you forget our ATM at home? Yes. And we're having problem with transfer.
Exactly.
If not, we would have been the one buying food for you and not the other way around. What is all this? You see this car? That is our car. You see my girlfriend? Our SUV is being serviced at the mechanic. If not, we would have dropped you off. But man, I can see you have a better choice of your class. Like, I don't even understand this. You look me from head to toe and you ask me to enter this thing, this crap. Do you want my class to tear? Do you want me to go home naked? What's this? Oh goodness gracious! What's this? Listen, the next time you see me, do not talk to me, please. Don't just talk to me.
Go where? Where you not to go?
What is this? I mean,
I'm talking.
Madam, stop!
So, Shebi, I don't understand. I go catch you now again. Shebi, I told you. My husband carry our car. A car we bought with our hard-earned money. Carry give una two. Una use and the waka in the trek. He carry his car give una. Una use and they do una this una fake life. Without this borrowed clothes and wig. And me, his wife. And the trek they go on. Eh? Today is the end of the road for two of you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Have we met before?
Yes.
My name is Lizzie. Hi.
Yeah. No, we never met before.
Madam.
We danced before.
We don't know you.
Today, we go swim.
Madam, please stop this. What is this? You're embarrassing us. What kind of nonsense is this?
You see the talk?
Yes, now.
Wait, you see the talk? You see all my husband for the moon and the tuna don't chop. Today, we're not going to provide that.
Madam, stop that nonsense. What kind of nonsense? Is it because I'm quiet?
Okay.
Is it because I'm quiet?
I don't understand. Wait for the men.
What nonsense is this?
Don't worry, the men embarrassment is coming. If you see the embarrassment, you go see at the table. And the top, the top.
Don't worry, the top. You can't nonsense see me that one.
Relax now, you go see him.
I don't know why you are trying to imagine.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam, oh, where on your mechi? Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam, oh, where on your mechi? Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions.
Hey, come back here. What is this? Come here. Come here. Come. What is wrong with all of you in this house? When has it become so difficult for you to wash a glass cup and rinse it properly? You want to poison me, huh? No, I get it. You want to poison me, you want to take my place, you want to take over this house and all the property my sweetheart in abroad and I labored for. Shh. Get out. Get out now. Shh. Leave. Just get out, leave my sight. Hey, come back here. Stupid girl. Come here. Come. And who are you leaving this for? My friend, take these girls and get out of this place. Dirty girl. Oh my God, this girl wants to take my life in this house. I won't let that happen. Oh, can you imagine? And you? Just look.
G for General.
Hello, home girl.
G for General.
Hello, babe. Babe, no be so. Babe, no be so you take do something now, eh? Them say as God don't bless person, go just forget him friends just like that. Calm down now, no be so you take wrong things. Eh?
Oh, not really, you know. Thinking money, I've got a lot in my head.
Thinking of money. Babe, you sure not money they think of? Eh? I'm not just understand you.
Oh, girls, I promise I'll make it up to you girls.
Wait. So all of us did this house, Gina. You pack your things. You pack everything. You come on, leave us. You don't even tell us. Which kind of friend be this one?
I don't understand.
Eh?
Which house?
See, babe, remember say they owe me 2,000. My last 2K where I borrow you. The only money where in my account where you beg me say make I borrow you. Babe, you never still give me that money till today. You know fair now. You know some of us they manage. You know fair now. See, babe, ma tell you something. You owe us an apology. Yes. We be your girls now. You need to apologize to us for not checking up on us.
Girl, I beg, just calm down. You will come to my house, but not now. I've told you this before.
See, now you're talking. You know waiting. You go start by sending us your address.
Baby, wait. Talking waiting. What is she dey talk?
No, make she send the address. We'll go her house now. See, baby, we'll come your house. Send us address. We'll come your house.
I never said that. Anyways, can we catch up later? You know, I've got a lot we can talk about. Let me make it up to you girls. How about that?
Chegodi, wait. Gina, I don't understand. We not be your babes again. Eh? You no can't trust us again or waiting. Wait. You dey think someone can kidnap you or kidnap the house where they stay?
See me.
Gina, why you dey do like this?
Alright, we'll catch up later. Alright? And you take care. Bye.
Catch him out for a year. Imagine she I don't want to make like say you say we don't start.
She know dey hear you bad now.
She go hear this one. Anyway, if you dey come, don't just come empty-handed.
The whole people in this house are just crazy. Bunch of dirty idiots. Huh?
Yeah, she don't drop phone. I don't happy now. Say she don't drop phone. Yoruba don't chase the girl come on. She don't drop phone now. Every day you and Yoruba. If you don't say Oli Okwe, you go say Oli.
Èmi kọ́ ni mo share o.
Because mo ṣe gbo ge ba.
Èmi kọ́ ni mo share o.
Mo ṣe gbo ge ba.
Ba ni wèrè ni ẹ̀sìn wa ni mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o.
Yes.
Chinemere nwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper. Put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. Only son of Bilionaire, go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Waya, Chinemere onwere onye mechi o. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Waya,
G for General.
General influence.
Gina, ọ̀rẹ́ mi tó wà òkè, ọmọ olówó, morning is too much.
The money is smelling. Gigi.
Yes. You know, girls, I am thinking of taking you girls to Canada just for the weekend.
This is when they drink and with us. Calm down.
Even if I used to, you know, manage to drink Gary with you girls, that has been in the past.
So soon, we dey English like the crazy.
Now we dey hella now. They call it Gina. Say that's a Bulgaria. See, Gina, now all of us live for this house. In fact, we live for one house like that, face to face, before we can't get this kind of house. Don't forget. Now we know. Forget that thing. Babe, calm down. Now nobody there here. Now talk to us.
Gina,
bring that babe down.
Calm down. Now blood today.
All of us just look at it, they can say, you girls know, you girls know.
Babe, what's up now? But
oh,
I swear, you're looking fresh though.
See skin like milk. Baby.
Easy, Pico, easy. I'm not sharing my updates now.
She not they do this thing. You that English, none of us now. If you go outside, we do that one.
Everyone calm down now.
Where now?
Nobody say I said wow.
Give her life.
Your guy doesn't look at that. Person never even see Lagos.
I've made it, so you people know. Gina has made it. So calm down. Calm down. I've made it.
Now she dey smell fresh.
Gina na headquarter, now she dey teach her to borrow.
Now she be the president of following association.
But no, you are looking good.
Gina, this cloth wey you wear, just don't pay for that. No, talk to me.
You don't see my driver for front. You're crazy. You don't see my driver for front.
Who you pay money to collect that driver? But you better not. General in following.
Yes, they show that. G baby, me onira. G baby, me life for living. Life, Gina.
You should shake your breast. Every time, G baby, monira.
Now I go pass Gina at one. She dey use like bath. She dey na wear wig. She dey na rub cream.
She's a bit like
she dey life for living.
Don't help me.
Abi?
You don't put me for mansion. I don't get house. I don't get car. I don't still get driver. Get cook. Get cleaner. Get gitman.
Baby, sure.
It's good to the lie.
Sure.
You fit still make am.
You go make am now. You know that you can first date now. Sure.
You understand? G baby.
So not be me wey be the liar before.
Sorry now, I thought they joke with you.
Let's say follow you play again.
You dey cause us. G baby.
So now I know.
Yes, no.
A new format.
Women in power. Why is she so mean? Why is she behaving as if she's the beginning and the end of the world?
Women in power. No. I don't think it has anything to do with that. It's an individual thing.
But is that the way she behaves? I mean, she's so odd. She's so full of herself. I think pride has taken the better part of her. I wonder what her so-called husband-to-be saw in her that made him choose her. For me, she's not a wife material and can never be.
One man's food, they say, is another's poison. For me, I can never marry a man because of his wealth or physical appearance. My grandmother, whom I grew with, taught me a lot about marriage. She told me that marriage is so deep and everlasting. And so wealth and a physical appearance shouldn't be a yardstick for measurement. So maybe, just maybe, her husband saw something in her that we both are not seeing, or we all are not seeing. You never can tell. We are the outsiders here.
Whichever way, she has a bad character, which is a problem besides marriage. So she's not a good person.
We still can never tell. Okay. We're just judging from the outside. Anyway, Dave, I know you are hungry. But you know, Madam instructed that you shouldn't eat until 2 p.m. So, I will just have to sneak in there and get you food. Yes, once Madam leaves, because she's still in the living room. So once she leaves, I will get you food. I will hang around and, watch how things goes. Okay?
I appreciate it.
It's fine.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I'll go and see if she's still around, okay? I'll get you your food soon.
Hello?
Dave, are you okay?
I'm fine.
You're fine? You don't sound fine at all. Have you had something to eat today?
No, but I will be fine.
I don't believe you. You see, just leave whatever it is you're doing right now. Come over to the house. I made something for you.
I said I will be fine. Don't worry, the chef is getting my food.
Dave, I insist.
Oh, never mind. My food is here.
Hello?
Okay, here we go.
Thank you.
It's nothing.
Lower
your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow.
Hello, Brady. Hello, Brady. Are you going my way? If you don't mind, please, can you just get into the car and let me drop you where you're going to? My name is Steve. I just came back from US looking for the good friends to hang around with. So if you don't mind, please, can we mingle? You see, I understand you're not the right friend of mine to talk to me. But if you don't mind, just give me your phone number so I can hello you later.
204-680-7351. That's UBA, please.
I think you just made a mistake. I asked for your phone number, but you just gave me your account number.
That's the password to unlock my phone number, please.
Really?
100K into the account, and you will get my phone number.
Maybe you could just check your phone.
Did I just hear an alert? Is this guy serious? What? I said 100,000 and you sent 200,000. You know what? Your way is my way, baby. If all men could be like this world would be a better place. Can I hop in now? Thank you so much.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Madam.
Where is he? Where is the driver?
Recently, I have noticed how inconsistent and nonchalantly he's been discharging his duties. He goes out whenever he likes and returns however he feels. That I will not accept here. He has turned himself into a nosy one who meddles into people's affairs, trying to know and meet people whenever we are out.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but he usually takes permission from me before stepping out.
20% of your salary slashed for supporting a breakdown of rules and regulations guiding this home. Mama, I don't know that. Now get out.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Walukwaya, madam. Oh, where on your mechi? Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings.
Who be that? Huh? Oga Ben! Oga Ben! Oga Ben.
Jombul, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Oga Ben, welcome. Oga Ben, you not driving?
No. Don't worry. I quickly went to see my cousin. I'll be rushing off to somewhere immediately.
Okay, now, Oga Ben. Oga Ben, anything for your boy. What you carry come for me, Oga Ben? Oga Ben, I'm your boy, you.
Don't worry. Yeah. There must be something for you while I'm going out. Okay?
Oga Ben. I trust Oga Ben. Oga Ben, welcome, man.
Who is that person kneeling down? Why is he kneeling?
Oga Ben, na Dave now. Now, madam say make him kneel down if he still wants to keep working in this house.
So what's his crime?
Oga Ben, Dave committed guilty. Yes, madam talk say he committed guilty.
Committed guilty? How?
Oga Ben, Dave committed guilty against the rules and regulations of this house. So madam say make he kneel down there if he wants to keep working here. That's what we see, Oga Ben. That's what we see.
Chinemelo.
Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Walukwaya, madam. Oh, where on your mechi? Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Walukwaya, madam. Oh, where on your mechi? Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow.
What are you doing, Chinemelo? Asking a full-grown man to kneel down in the compound just because you feel he went contrary to some of the rules and regulations you mapped out in this house. What has come over you? Do you...
Ben, I do not only respect you as my cousin, but I also respect the fact that you played a major role in me being here. But what I will not take from you is you coming to my house to lecture me on how to discipline my staffs when they go wrong.
Nemelo, listen. That driver is not just a staff. He's a man.
And so? What if he's a man? A man with two heads? So he should go ahead breaking the rules and regulations, guiding where he works. Answer me.
Nemelo, you must listen to me.
If it's about that young man, I am done. Excuse me.
Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Walukwaya, madam. Oh, where on your mechi? Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Walukwaya, madam. Oh, where on your mechi? Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Walukwaya, madam. Oh, where on your mechi? Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Walukwaya, madam. Oh, where
tomorrow you meet you. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a hugger tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Chinemeremwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper, put to a video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo you Bilionaire was not before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo you Bilionaire was not before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of Bilionaire go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo you Bilionaire was not.
Why is everyone moody? What happened?
See, we don't do fasting like this, so including you.
Why are we fasting? Why would they fast?
Why? Why be say our madam don't lock kitchen? No? She say nobody dey chop. Say she dey bad mood. Say as soon as no greet am when she dey comot, na im make am dey get bad mood. She go lock kitchen. So like this now we dey emergency fasting.
Are you kidding me?
We no go protest because that salary now e fat for this present economy. Since e hard, I go need my money complete. I go need down my 100k complete. So we no dey protest though.
Who does she think she is? Like who does? What's your problem? No, on a serious note, what is your problem? What are you feeling like? Why do you derive joy in maltreating people? Are you God? What are you feeling like? Huh? Are you God?
Yes! Yes, I am your God. Supervisor! 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 Hey, you, come here. Come here, come here. Come here, come here. Supervisor! Hey, you, walk fast. Come here. Yes, I am your God. 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 You know why? Because I provide that which none of you can provide for yourself. And you in particular, you have declared yourself the very spokesman for all, right? You ought to cease working here. On a second thought, letting you go is not enough. I have news for you all. The good news and the bad news. So, let's start with the good news. The chef, the gate man, the house cleaner, your duties have been relieved of you. By the end of the month, you will be receiving your salaries without working. Because your job specifications has been directed to someone else. And the bad news is, that is if it's bad at all, Mr. David Ubai, the driver, in the next 1 month, you will be assuming the duties of the cook, the housekeeper, and the driver, in addition to your job as the driver. That is the payment for your sins. And I'm sure you will not want to disobey my orders. That is if you still want your job and the approval of your salary by the end of the month. I am sure you know your power limitations and the manual before accepting to take this job. And I won't want you to be reminded of these job specifications. Any of you caught assisting him will stand the chance of losing 10% of your salary. Have I made myself clear? Have I?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Your job starts now. All of you, get out!
Well, look why you Chinemere onwere onye mechi yo.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Well, look why you madam, onwere onye mechi yo.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Well, look why you madam, onwere onye mechi yo.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Chinemere nwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper, put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because
Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of Bilionaire go be my husband, yo. Love more.
Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
Well, look why you Chinemere onwere onye mechi yo.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Well, look why you madam, onwere onye mechi yo.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Chinemere onwere onye mechi yo.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Well, look why you madam, onwere onye mechi yo.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Well, look why you madam, onwere onye mechi yo.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Chinemere nwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper, put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because
I'm billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. I'm a billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of billionaire go be my husband, yo. Love more.
I'm a billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. I'm a billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. I'm a billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
Well, look why you Chinemere where on your mechio.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Well, look why you madam. Oh, where on your mechio.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Chinemere where on your mechio.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Well, look why you madam. Oh, where on your mechio.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today.
Dave, where have you been? I've been calling you for days. You've not been picking up. Are you okay? Is everything alright? Dave, are you okay? Dave, are you okay? I've been calling you for days. You've not been picking your calls. Is everything okay? What happened?
I need to be left alone.
Why? It is that lady again, right? I mean, where was it written on earth that you must work as a driver for that lady? I mean, is that the only job on this earth?
Are you going to give up on me at this point?
Have you had something to eat? It's okay. Let me fix you something.
Chinemere, listen to me. Mellow your temper. Put your video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because
I'm a billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. I'm a billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of billionaire go be my husband, yo. Love more.
I'm a billionaire husband before. Where are you?
Chinemere onwere onye mechi o.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Well, look waya, madam, onwere onye mechi o.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings. All human beings.
Chinemere nwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper, put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because
Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of Bilionaire go be my husband, yo. Love more.
Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
Well, look waya, Chinemere onwere onye mechi o.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings.
Your servant today.
I learned they're already on their way.
They?
Yes. Oh, sorry. I meant he.
You mean Oga? Madam's husband to be. I mean, the love of Madam's life.
Which love?
The one that built this mansion for Madam.
Abegi, forget acting. Which husband? Which love? Love, okay. Love me. Some people just dey mumu themselves for this life. Na mumu promise, na wetin she be. She just dey mumu herself. I been at the billionaire husband where she dey die for, where she never even see. Just dey mumu the work.
What are you talking about? You should be mindful of your words. I mean, who is feeding you with all this?
My dear, say that they use military hand for this house, for us. No mean say my ear no dey ground though. My ear sharp like razor. My prayer be say our new oga wey dey come, make he like us, especially me.
So you want the incoming Oga to like us? In fact, to like you. But you don't want to first like Madam. Don't you know that a woman can influence a man's decision? Especially when it gets to do with love. Yes.
Love? Love? Who love help? Which love? Abegi. Which love? There is no love.
Mind what you say.
Has anyone seen David today?
No, ma.
No, ma. I haven't seen him either. Where could he have gone to?
I don't know. I've not seen him either.
Hi. Why this boy to like trouble? I mean, today of all day, he's supposed to have been here. Where did he go? He didn't tell you.
He didn't tell me.
Hey, I
didn't
pity
see him.
I pity him because Madam is so going to skin him alive. No, he knows we're expecting someone. You mean he didn't tell you where he went to?
He didn't tell me. I'm worried. He didn't tell me.
Girlfriend, you know. Oh, you know Lizzie, you know my spec. You know what I want. I don't want guys with yellow. No, I don't want bump pop. See, I want fresh guys with black. With dark, we can get shining skin. We just see the bling, 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 bling. I know you just, who can't get money, can't get money, can't get money.
Abe, Gina Remy. Gina G for General. You know me. You know say we Yoruba we too like life. You know say I'm not fair. You know say I'm not fair. You know the kind of guys what they like? All those sweet top fair guy, over fair. You can't get side bed, that thing, teddy bear don't they get hair for corner. Sweet guy we go tall. As I dey see him, my heart go do see, not be that you go come too fair, come black, be no they see you. If I say right, they go no.
See, babe, no matter. See, you be correct, babe. G for General Overseer.
Okay. Babe. Can you girls slow down a bit?
No, calm down. See,
G for General.
She said, no, calm down. We can't calm down now. Babe, no see this opportunity they come but once. We got to use it as they come. Babe, not for my hands. So, G for General.
Gina Jico. I wish you said that the bounce cafe for you. Gina Jico. In the bounce. If I love you, the bouncer. Gina, she know me. See, if you see your babes, we too say.
No, my hand.
We too fun. With a With the bling bling.
But
see,
borrow.
See, G, if you see us not be clothes well, we go berry supermarket and they will go borrow clothes. Your girls are blink.
With a bling.
With a blink.
Not be lie.
Borrow.
See, no delay also.
They call us borrow.
Fine. Just apply a little push on the brake. I've told you girls, nobody's missing any opportunity, right? Okay, listen. As soon as my man on fire and his friends arrives, my billionaire husband, Fiam, I'll put a phone call, just a call to my homegirls to come and sample their market. And of course, they will make their choices.
Not be you teachers.
Not be you teachers.
Not be teachers.
Now, president, you be for bolo.
We dey learn.
Why you talk like this?
We dey learn.
Babe, no follow our house. G for General. That name no be small name.
G for General.
General Overseer. General Overseer. Oh, that's how.
Baby, I dey bounce cafe for you. Let's go! B.
Out!
B.
Aïe.
Bon, toi. Yeah!
Oh, mon Dieu, ça va! See her.
Chinemeremwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper. Put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo you Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo you Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of Bilionaire go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo you Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo you Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo you Bilionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you Chinemere on where on your mechio. Lower your action.
The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam. Oh. The table has turned around. Don't cry, it's all your fault. Georgina.
You forgot cause you be.
You
put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble.
Namibi David Omai, I be the driver. The family driver.
What is this? Did you wash this car?
Yes, but I did.
Shut up! So, you want to infect me?
I'm sorry.
Is this what you're paid for? So you wash some part of a car and leave the other part?
I'm sorry.
I don't blame you lowlifes. You don't know how to make money. So how then will you know how to maintain a good skin and prevent it from skin infections?
I'm sorry.
What are you doing, Chinemelum? Asking a full-grown man to kneel down in the compound just because you feel he went contrary to some of the rules and regulations you mapped out in this house. What has come over you? Do you...
Ben, I do not only respect you as my cousin, but I also respect the fact that you played a major role in me being here. But what I will not take from you is you coming to my house to lecture me on how to discipline my staffs when they go wrong.
Nemelo, listen. That driver is not just a staff. He's a man.
And so? What if he's a man? A man with two heads? So he should go ahead breaking the rules and regulations, guiding where he works. Answer me.
Nemelo, you must listen to me.
If it's about that young man, I am done.
What is your problem? What are you feeling like? Why do you derive joy in maltreating people? Are you God? What are you feeling like? Huh? Are you God?
Yes! Yes, I am your God.
Yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina.
You forgot cause you be.
You
put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition. Destroy.
You put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition. Destroy.
With your ambition.
You forgot cause you be. You put yourself in trouble.
You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. You
forgot cause you be.
Oh, Mr. David Omahi, the son, or rather the only son of the multi-billionaire and former Chief Justice of this country, Justice Donald Omahi. David was born and raised in this country. He later relocated to abroad. And being an only son, there is this pressure from his parents for him to get married and of course give them their grandchildren. But it's been hell for this young man. You know, he's not finding it easy. He's been, ups and down, back and forth for him in making the right choice of a woman to spend the rest of his life with. According to David, women were all over him, that one could easily describe him as a gentle sinner. Even the women, you can easily describe them as gold diggers. But of course they would disappear as soon as they grab the money because he's wealthy. And nevertheless, he must fulfill the promise he made to his parents to present the love of his life on their birthday this year. The mother is 61, the father is 70. Both of them are celebrating their birthday the same day, simultaneously. It's quite a coincidence. He loved his parents so dearly that he wouldn't want to disappoint them. But at the same time, he must make the right choice. No, the reason he chose a different life to live, maybe, and just maybe, he could see life from a different perspective. And people could see him from a different perspective also. Who knows? It could aid in his search. He owns this mansion. You're employed and placed on such huge salary because of the parents of David, Mr. David. They'll be coming back in this country in less than 2 months' time. Just take good care of them, not necessarily for the young man, but for the parents, because he loved them so dearly. Of course, this is one of the numerous mansions that belongs to the Umahis. We wish them good luck as they come back to this country soonest. We also wish the young man good luck. That's all for now.
The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam, oh. The table has turned around.
My sister, he reached to shout, oh. He reached to shout, oh. Okaliagi, itipu mpu. Okaliagi itipu chineke mpu. Shout because he reached all the millennials. In fact, it's more than millennials. It's delicious. Hey. I swear. Hey! Don't be that one they do me. You know what they do me? I want to dance. Because it's not easy. For this wonderful opportunity God has brought to us. Like, it's not easy, my sister. Are you dancing with me or not? You're not dancing with me? You're not dancing with me?
Don't try it. Don't try it. See, why do you want to enter our garden now? Eh? See, do you know how much apartment costs? Eh? You better get off from that place, oh. You better get off from that place now. What's wrong with you now? What's all this? Eh? See, get up.
Hey, what is going on here?
Mrs. Supervisor, you know this woman that wants to spoil our garden for us? Eh? Who is she for me fainting for? Help me ask her if she knows how much a bag of cement costs in Ontario, the way I came from.
Madam, can we just help her? Please help her, do something!
Help who?
You can carry her up, just do something!
Help who?
I beg. Wait. Auntie former madam, who you there from die for? Wake up, oh, you never pay your dues. Auntie former madam.
The table has turned around, so the table has turned around. Don't cry, it's all your fault, Georgina. You forgot what's your name. Gina Meremo. You put yourself in trouble. You put yourself in trouble. It's your character, Georgina. Gina Meremo. You forgot what's your name. You forgot what's your
not picking. She's not picking. I knew it. I knew it. I don't want to say God will punish her, but let me not curse her. I knew it. I know. That girl a wicked devil. I never see that kind of friend before. Gina is very stingy. She's greedy. She's self-centered. Which other English I never use? Which kind of greedy friend be that one? Eh? Just this little favor. This small favor where this girl go do her life will change. We go become big girls. Nalayo, Gina want to pack all the old men round her. Only she'll be collecting the commission. And with day here, she cannot call us to come and buy Gbadun. Shogoma Gina here, if she allow us to miss this small opportunity, if Gina allow us to meet this small favor, we go change our life. I go naked, knock this thing, knock it down. My shepherd follow, I will swear for her. Which kind of nonsense to be that one? You don't be me, oh. Listen, you don't be me, oh. You're quiet. No,
just touch me, oh. No touch me. As no one calm down, so no just do your thing. They vibrate. See, no just come near me. And they call Gina. You know what happened to her? Why they vibrate every time they make noise for this compound? What happened? Calm down.
Listen, more boom. What is calm down? You know say we Yoruba, our blood they hot. Tabambinu àti inú mi kíni ẹ máa wá. Ó máa ń lọ, it dey raise, go come up. Wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n sọ pé kẹ́mi calm down. Kí ló ń jẹ́ pé calm down?
As you don grow finish, I make come make am pick the corner. As the old one law, you go dey grow. Aragba wogi, come make am pick the corner.
Kò ní dá fún ẹni tó fi sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn o.
Ọ̀sán ọ̀gẹ̀ni.
Kò ní dá fún ẹni wọ́n sọ.
Ayé
yẹ ò ní dá. Ìwọ àti Gina kò ní dá fún ẹ.
Yá wo gẹ̀ bá.
Kò ní dá fún gbogbo yín. Ìwọ náà fẹ́ẹ́ lẹ́jà wọ̀ nìyẹn.
Iná ẹ̀kọ́, kéyìn ẹ̀kọ́ ayé. Kéyìn ẹ̀kọ́ ayé.
Kéyìn ẹ̀kọ́ ayé. Ìwọ náà kò ní ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ayé. Àánú ìwọ náà lò ṣọdọ̀ ìbọn lápẹ̀ lọ́sàn.
Kéyìn ẹ̀kọ́ ayé. Kéyìn ẹ̀kọ́ ayé. Ọmọ Yorùbá. Nẹ́ni àánú.
Ọmọ Igbo ó fẹ́ náà manu. Ó fẹ́ náà manu. Ẹ máa jẹ fùfú ẹ̀ mọ́ mi.
Ọmọ yà àsùn nẹ́ni àánú.
Ọmọ yà àsùn nẹ́ni àyànú. Aleka orí òbí olóṣó lórí imú.
You put yourself in trouble. Ambition. Be strong with your ambition. If you go consider
you know what I mean?
Believe me, I better not do.
My father, I don't even mad. But I know you won't be talk. Shut. Every time you want to they long like that. I don't understand. What's the worry? You can't keep quiet. Eh? Man, you don't come knock for the door now. Now, Shebi, you're happy. You're happy.
Surely I am able to go. So, but Oga, Tiba, me, Tiba, go Jew. Wallahi, on the little moon.
Back to sender. Back to sender.
Show me. Show me. Show me. Me. When you're back out of the air, so
back to sender. Araba mugi chike ogoko onuka na anu febe chike ogoko wipe
back to sender
osno back to sender mugi eba unni gini ni ala wucha onuka na anu febe ewu aleka back to sender araba mugi babe abeg no vex abeg cause you no vex see bless that knock is a landlady I swear na see don't you knock be that landlady na don't you know just so it will happen, eh? You know, say you get sharp eye as you back here. I want the abuse now. Calm down. Go to the hot. Just go there. Go peep. Use one eye. Take peep for that door. No, if I'm not doing that. Go now.
If I say you get eye like you don't reach like the glass for this, you not be there close to that place. If you move too late, you feel more. Why not?
So I can say what people they fear. I believe what they fear. Give her the fear.
You go to the gate giver.
Yeah, they get it. Hey, my
mouth we get.
If you got custody, you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Gina mirror. Destroy with your of ambitions. You forgot cause you put yourself in trouble. You claim what do you know be. You have seen what you brought up on yourself.
What's the meaning of this?
No one lives.
Excuse you? Are you mad? Or something is wrong with your head? Do you realize I am the sole owner of this house? Like, I built this house with my hard-earned money. Like, I am the assistant owner of this house. I meant the former owner of this mansion. Do you know that? Why will you touch me? Do you know I can sue you too? I can call the police on you. I can even feed you. I can feed you for 1 year. Do you know that? Don't try it again. Bros, say, I beg now. No verse, now no just a smile at all. The person know they follow na play again. Eh? No be sad they shout oh. I know they shout. I know fit try am. But you see this my voice. Now so it be if sun don't they go like this, you go they touch my brain, you go they touch my head one kind. I beg now no verse. You know say you know what's in the ground now. If you can't carry pikin, and pikin where you can't carry don't die, you go just check the next compound. No beside they run. I know they run. Sure I know the verse. I just want to check the next compound. Eh? Thank you in advance. Thank you for your understanding. Oh, I know the verse. Thank you for your understanding. Sure, una know the verse now. We don't get understand. We don't align. I beg, make her they go, yeah? And make her they go. Thank you. Thank you.
Head. I think she needs some head. Give her some head.
Some head? No. Hey! Oh, baby, come, take us. Bring me down now. Let me go. Put yourself in trouble. Leave me alone. Leave me now.
Oh. Where is she? Where is she?
Let me chop wish. Where is who? No, I don't understand. Where is who? You just barge into person's house. You knock. You don't even wait. Make house owners go open door for you. Just barge in like criminal. They ask you where is she with your arrow and shine like thief. Where is who? Eh?
Hey. Oh. She thinks I will not find her. She thinks I won't trace where she lives. There is no hiding place for a debtor. So, go in there and call that friend of yours, Gina, or whatever you call her, to come out here and pay me my money. Of all the clothes, the shoes, the bags, and the hairs, everything she has been collecting from my shop. Deceiving my workers that she's my sister. Just because I gave her a warm reception the first time she came to my shop. And she decided to drain my boutique. Please, go in there and call her out now. Because in the next 30 seconds, I will scatter everywhere. I'll pull down this building.
Oh, Bieda. Excuse you? You will pull which building? Show me where Haja of your over there. So Yahweh. So Sinwi. You look this fool nation. You see Yoruba stand here. They shake everywhere. When you ask scatter which building? Ba fún ẹni upper court. Tí bá yọ ojú ẹ, wàá mọ̀ pé mi ò gbádùn. You dey look me. Tó bá Bieda kó try it. Try it.
Try am na. You shock you. You shock you. Try am. Oya scatter everywhere. You no fit talk again. See me see wahala o. Ọmọ Yorùbá, wọ́n fẹ́ mara. Am I the one you are jumping up for? Eh? Look, you better go in there and call her out now. Because madam, you know they fear oh. You see giants. Ọmọ Yorùbá. Giants. They bounce. You see, they make mad for inside. You know, say inside our house today. We fit pan and beat you for here. Madam, ma do you good now because if she bounce, you no go fit survive her. Oh yeah, and they go house.
Nah, they go house.
Madam, I said now you. I just dey save you because hey, not try this. They go house. I won't save you, madam. They go house. Handlele. Do they hear what?
I want to see her power, Mike. I'm going in there to bring out that Tina.
Come. See, madam, we go kill you. Madam, we go kill you. You know so. Add that red apple for me. Yes, 10 of it, please. The big one, that big one. Yes.
Well, if you do this thing, what you want to do for my daughter, I will whatever will make this.
It's okay, it's nothing. It's alright.
Why would they shine like you?
You can say that again.
Which one again?
How many is there? 10. Okay, get me this yellow one. Yes, please. Get 5 of it.
How?
5, yes. That's 5, right? Okay, please let me have lime. Yes, 2 of it, please. Okay, that's it. Thank you. I don't want banana. How much is your nut? Yes, the big bottle. Please come and see it. This big one. How much is it?
Okay, it's 2.5.
Get me 3 bottles is fine. Yes, please. See, they will know that Madam Lizzie visited your shop today. I need 2 granuts, please.
Granuts?
Yes,
Is
2.
it the big bottle?
Big ones, of course.
Big ones.
I don't do small things. Yeah. Thank you. Okay.
Any other thing?
Okay, I the granuts, right?
Yes.
Okay. Is this what they call this?
Honey.
This is honey.
Yes.
Original. Let me have both of them. Both of them. Just pack
two.
it.
Hey.
And then cucumber, please.
Okay.
3 cucumber.
3.
Yes, please. This big one. This big one. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's it. I need this one too. This pineapple.
This one.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yeah, please drop it on the floor. So madam, how much is everything?
Everything is 8.5. You know, the things don't cost now.
8,500. I'll make it 10,000. You know what? Just get a nylon and put this.
Osubo. Maybe you can lie on that. Hey, I'm so happy. Hey, let me take this. No. This one, your face is like this. Is it because of what happened last time? Don't worry. They will come. They will surely come and pay you your money. Oh? Let me answer customer. Nah.
Customer, there's a big problem right now.
Okay. What happened?
Do you know? Oh, what kind of mistake is this?
What's the mistake?
And the 50,000 naira cash I kept in my bag. Oh, okay. I now remember what happened. I was actually on I was in a haste to come out and I left them on the table. Oh my God. But it's okay. Not to worry. I'm bigger than that. You know what? I'm living down the street. All right?
The street.
Yes.
You
so I'll
told
just,
me now.
Of course. I'll just go and get your money. So just pack everything. Let me just go.
Don't worry. You will go with it though.
Yeah,
I will
thank
pack
you.
it and you will go.
Of course.
You will come back and... Hey! Okay, Ne. Why are you shouting?
Auntie?
Hey! What happened?
Nashi!
Auntie, you know what I tell you, say? Person come my shop, come buy provision, wey worth 12,000 naira.
And this auntie now!
Don't embarrass my customer like that. What do you mean?
What are you saying? Why are you embarrassing me? No,
You know who you are talking to.
Why you? Oh, down the street. So because someone uses the word down the street, so it now appears to be me?
Nah, lie.
You know what? I know what's I understand. It happens to me every day. People tell me every time, Lizzie, you look like somebody else. So it's not her fault.
I don't blame you. You, not be like this with any lad there. You wait. See. Wait. Miri go call area boys. I don't see thief. You go pay me my money. Calm down. Who should be calm? I'm gonna tell you. He said down the street. That sounds like wait. Tell you no. Down the street. Now wait. Tell me that day.
Yeah.
Is it true? Did I ask?
Oh, madam, please, can we just talk about this? Can we try to
talk what?
I'm going to get fuel, please.
Talk what?
Hey!
Area boys. You don't speak English. You don't speak English. Hey, They go burn you today. Oh, you come my shop. You come thief from my shop. Now my shop you blue fish. You come thief. They go burn you today.
Oh, Kuya, Sonia, so you be thief.
Thief!
I'm not a criminal.
I'm not a criminal.
You are a criminal.
I'm your boy.
Hey, God don't save me.
I not do again. Wallahi. Me ò ṣe mọ́, I no dey do.
You don't do now. Which one be I not do again? You see, who forced you to do before? I think I'll beg you. I need peace for this house. Otito, according to you, you don't do.
Lizzie. Show me, this is not going to tell me Otito. It's your very no sabi. This is not time for you to tell me this one now. Eh? I need me ò ṣe mọ́, I no dey do again. Which kind thing be this one?
See, can you just keep quiet? No really you run that run, no. I follow you run, no, babe. What if you all this guy shouts now? So all those one see, I think I'll beg you. Oh, you sound like mosquito. I'm mosquito for my ear. What if that one?
Emi winnie.
I don't tell you finish.
Lizzie, you look me finish. Send me the shell like mosquito. Me and you the shell like mosquito.
Sorry, I no put am well. Now I put am well for you. You know what you resemble? Grass cutter. Those ones will get long mouth when you just sharp like ooh. When your mouth long like so let's say tomorrow no day. Now what you resemble? You don't like my truth, Abi? Now grass cutter now resemble. What be that? I got my head same way today. I don't tire.
Na me dey talk so, Abi. No, na me get all those lines, Abi.
You know what? See that kind of one we answer. You don't see him. You don't see the one. Why you only shout for this house?
Na me call it line winnie.
Na you.
Na me dey do
like.
They dey follow us. They dey follow.
You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. In the mirror. Destroy with your.
Okay, guys, listen. Hard work and diligence can help you become a trusted employee and accomplished professional. A persevering determination to perform a task, characterized by steady, earnest, and energetic efforts. Settling and committing to your goals, establishing a schedule, managing time effectively, and learning continuously. These are more a reminder for all, especially the new intake, Georgina Chinemelum Ibekwe. Your job specification here as a new driver entails a lot. You must stick to the manuals, rules, and regulations. Do not relent. I repeat, do not relent.
Somebody should wake me up. Somebody should wake me from this dream. Hey! Timo!
The first slap is to wake you and to remind you that it's not a dream. The second slap is to reset your brain for messing up. Chinemelum, is being your cousin a crime? No, I'm asking, did I commit a crime being your cousin? I personally handed over the keys of this house to you and old friend's house as a supervisor and to employ people that work with you. You came in here and made yourself the owner of this house. And you did not end there. You went into the master's bedroom, took a jewelry worth 7.8 million naira and sold it for a god knows cheap price just to keep up with your fake life. Chinemelum, 7.8 million naira. You should count yourself lucky because he gave you an option of working with him as his personal driver. You should be deducting the money from your salary because you don't have shishi in your bank account. Shishi, you don't have. If I were you, I should not think otherwise. Don't even act funny. There are cameras everywhere in this house. And you're being monitored. You know how heavily connected this family is. They will just jail you for life for theft and impersonation.
Hey. Brother, I'm sorry.
You disappoint me.
You should have told me who he is all along.
No, sorry, I don't do that. Oh, I was under oath not to disclose anything to anybody until he reveals his true self. It's been my homeboy from way back. I cannot betray him. Chinemel, I know the life you've always wanted. Getting married to a rich man and live happily ever after. Who knows if you had been the wife you're searching for all this while, if you had set fake life apart and do the work that brought you here initially. That reminds me, the car you rented that you're parading yourself as the owner. Have you called the owner to come and carry the car? Because I'm pretty sure they will come for you soon. You disappoint me.
The boss leaves in 20 minutes. Get ready to discharge your official duty as a driver here. Remember to stick to the manuals, the rules, and the regulations. Do not relent. I repeat, do not relent.
Hi. How? Oh. What you are looking for is at your closest. Don't you see it? The good heart you are looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel, angel. It's good heart. She's an.
I want to specially thank you for believing in me, standing by my side, supporting me against all odds. Thanks for all you do. I mean, you tolerated and accepted me despite my shortcomings. You are the true one. Thank you very much.
It's sounding like I did a huge thing. I mean, who else would I do these things for if I don't do it for you? I am your closest. I am the one you trust in, so why can't I do those things for you? Besides, your win is our win. Okay, so it's nothing.
It's just a gift.
No, it's more like a payment now. Thank you, I don't want it.
I insist.
And I am stubborn. Get me something on a neutral ground, I'll take it. Right now it's as though you're paying me for something I did for you. No, thank you. I don't want it.
Oh, Bob. What I'm seeing here is too much. 8.5 million. Are we traveling to heaven? Oh, more tickets cost so. The cheapest one is 6.5 million. Okay, why don't we do Nigeria, Turkey to America. Yeah, it's better. Yeah, I like that one. Yes. To Turkey to New York. No, not New Jersey, New York. Good, yeah. It's like $100,000. Yes, everything. Of course, 100K does now is above 100 million. Like 150 million. That's 100K does like 150 million naira. No, 150 million, not 150. Okay. So done now. We are no, not Nigeria, Dubai, America. Nigeria, Turkey, America. Yeah. So instead of Dubai, let's do Turkey. Yeah. It's the same thing now. We're spending 2 days there. Okay. Yeah, let's do the white 570 and one white watch. Yes. We'll ship them together. White. Yes. All right now. Definitely, you see there are lots. All right.
You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition. Destroy.
You put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition. Destroy.
With your ambition.
Obodo Oyibo billionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Oyibo billionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of billionaire go be my husband. Love more.
Obodo Oyibo billionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Oyibo billionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Oyibo billionaire was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
Well, look why you Chinere onwere onye mechi o.
Lower your action.
The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam. Oh. The table has turned around, don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble. With your character, Georgina.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition. Destroy.
You put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition. Destroy.
With your ambition.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
Somebody should wake me up. Somebody should wake me from this dream. Hey! Timo!
The first slap is to wake you and to remind you that it's not a dream. The second slap is to reset your brain for messing up.
You put yourself in trouble.
You claim waiting you know be. You have seen what you brought up on yourself.
You forgot You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy.
You have lost all
of ambition. Destroy.
You want a good life. By the grace of God, it was given to you. But with your evil character, you destroy what God gave to you. Now you want to run away. Now you want to run away.
Sir, sorry.
Georgina Chinemelum Ibekwe. What are you doing standing right there? Now, I'm sure you have not forgotten your job specification, young lady. You are a driver, and a driver stands right by the car and not in the sitting room. Now move it. Now.
You forgot You put yourself in trouble.
You put yourself in trouble.
Of
ambition.
Destroy.
You put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition. Destroy.
With your ambition.
You forgot You put yourself in trouble.
You claim waiting you know be. You have seen what you brought up on yourself.
You forgot
Oh, which kind of rubbish with this one now? Eh? Which kind of nonsense with this? Come this guy, let's talk to the worry you. They said you come from my village. You dey crazy. You know they answer me? Okay, I don't see him. And this small power where they give you. This small power where they give, that make you dey misbehave. But when I feel just stand like this, matcha me go scatter. You dey crazy. I mean, your village people now not get respect. Shey they not teach you how to get respect. You not get respect, Abi? I feel just chook my hand enter your eyes. You not get respect.
Well, with all due disrespect, I'm not here to respect you, but to disrespect you. And you just talked yourself off today's breakfast, meaning no breakfast for you today.
You put yourself in trouble.
You put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition. Destroy.
You put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition.
Destroy.
No verse. So sorry. I am sorry. I didn't mean it like that. Oh, no verse. Na slip of tongue. No verse. Yeah.
And no lunch for you for talking when I'm not done talking. One more word from you, and it will be 0, 0, and 0. That means no breakfast, no lunch, no dinner as well. And I mean every word of it.
Destroy.
You put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition. Destroy.
With your ambition.
You forgot You put yourself in trouble.
You claim waiting you know be. You have seen what you brought up on yourself.
You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy.
You have lost all
of ambition. Destroy.
My sister, I beg, I dey hungry. I never chop since morning, see time now. This na 8 p.m. I beg now, make hunger no go kill me. I beg, Muna just give me food. Just give me, even though say na small like this, I go just manage am. You don't even need to put her for plate. Just put her for my hand. I will not chop her like that. Go chop her. I beg. Yeah.
Gina, I understand. But I can't do anything. I can't. I'm acting under the instruction of the supervisor. She said we shouldn't give you food. That I shouldn't give you food. On no account should I give you food. And I don't want to lose my job.
No. It be like you don't understand me. See, I take care of sir. And you know so they keep person. I beg now. I be una want just use hunger kill me for this house. Hunger go kill me. I be person picky. Una pity me now. I beg. Una give me food. You don't get conscience. Una try give me food my chop. My belly don't enter inside. I feel just die. I feel die. Hunger feel just give me anyhow. I beg. Please.
I can't. If I go against her will, she might just sack me. This is the only means of survival for me. You all know that. Please. I beg.
Still not good. No good. I beg. Now just small food. Now small food. I beg. I dey hungry. I know they work since they come. I beg.
This thing you're asking me, I can't. I can't. I mean, if you want me to leave this place, just go to the boys' quarter, carry my bag and keep it at the gate. I'll quietly carry it and go to my house. You're asking me to go get you food. Come on now, check it. I'll lose my job. It's not like I don't want to, but I will lose my job. It's not my instruction, it's not my making. Sorry, but
don't do like that now.
Georgina. The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam. Oh. The table has turned around. Don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina.
You forgot what's your name.
Gina Meremo.
You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. Gina Meremo.
You forgot what's your name.
You forgot what's your name.
You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition.
Of ambition.
Destroy.
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 You put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition.
Gina Meremo.
Destroy.
With your ambition.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself, Gina Meremo.
You forgot what's your name.
Gina Meremo.
You put yourself in trouble.
The bed.
Of ambition.
Of ambition.
Destroy.
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 You have lost all.
Of ambition.
Gina Meremo.
Destroy. Destroy.
You want a good life. By the grace of God, it was given to you. But with your evil character, you destroy what God looking for. Is at your closest. Don't you see it? The good heart you're looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel, angel with good heart. She's an angel, angel with good heart. Can't you see her? She was falling for you, falling for you. She's deeply in love. She's an angel. She was falling in love with you, with your whole heart. She's an angel, angel with good heart. She's an angel, angel.
G for general. G
General
baby.
overseer.
G baby. Oh baby, not vex abeg. E get wetin we wan confirm. A very quick one. Abeg again. E get wetin we just say, me no be as if our eye dey do us 419. You understand? Abeg no vex. The person we will see just now, na you. Now we wan confirm.
Which one be say we wan confirm? We see her now. She talk to us now. Baby, we just wan know wetin dey sup. Wetin dey sup? We see you for there. You wear uniform. Wetin dey sup, baby? Talk to your girls.
Just your girls. Just us.
My sister, there is nothing to confirm. Na me be that. You see, everything on I see na reality, no be any other thing. But I beg, I won't first beg now. I beg. You see that G for general? Please, remove it. I'm no longer the general. I not do again. If you see condition where your girl dey, who dey prison better pass me. I dey suffer oh. The hunter has been hunted. I dey suffer like this.
Baby, calm down, slow down. You see they run fast. What do you mean by saying the hunter has been haunted? I don't understand. Explain now, baby.
My girl, you see, I never for once believed that something like this will happen to me in this world. I think only for film this kind of things they happen. No. That my billionaire husband when I dey expect from abroad now. Why they package the house, they package my life too now based on baby girl lifestyle.
Yes.
Now the same driver where they drive me around town. I don't know say na the same person. My sister, the one where even worse part, I can't even say make I go corner 1 or 2. You know, na normal package, normal level. I can't corner 1 or 2. I don't know say the thing costs millions of naira. As they catch me like this, they say make I pay. She know dey my account to take pay back. And once they turn me to driver, na driver they do like this. Na driver. If you say this call when they make so it's prohibited because.
Hello,
G.
She don't off the phone.
Jenny.
I see phone call has turned your job specification other than your primary duty here. Hand me over the phone. Now. Good.
The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam. Oh. The table has turned around. Don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina.
You forgot what's your name.
Gina Meremo.
You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. Gina Meremo.
You forgot what's your name.
Hey, no kwa. Now this kind thing for my language they call Okotoriba.
I
dey tell you.
Gina mon paro. For Yoruba, you will you need often wash up.
Must you say Yoruba own? What they worry for this house, sef? Babe, they calm down. Yeah, you don't show that for this house. Would they drag anything? If I just talk Igbo thing, you must show just
so see me go when that cannot be boy you speak about.
So wo get down.
So lórí mo ti bá sọ wa ma sọ.
Must you drag shoulders with me?
Must you drag Igbo?
Ọmọ Yorùbá
Ajokuta momi.
Ajokuta momi wo get
down. Una go chop for na not drink water go.
Yoruba.
Oh yeah, look kika. That's why you sick.
Abi ma hear what?
Ọmọ Igbo ya ni fufu.
Eti ko fufu wogi. Here ni fufu.
The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam. Oh. The table has turned around. Don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina.
You forgot what's your name.
Gina Meremo.
You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. Gina Meremo.
You forgot what's your name.
You forgot what's your name.
You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition.
Of ambition.
Destroy.
You put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition. Destroy.
With your ambition.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
You claim what you know be. You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina Meremo.
You forgot what's your name.
Gina Meremo.
You put yourself in trouble.
The bed.
Of ambition. Destroy.
You have lost all
of ambition. destroy, destroy.
You want a good life, by the grace of God, it was given to you. But with your evil character, you destroy what God gave to you. Now you want to run away. Now you want to run away. I'm battery no son,
Bambari bamba, she want to run
battery no
away.
son,
Bambari bamba,
I'm battery no son,
bambari bamba, she want to run
battery no
away.
son,
Bambari bamba,
I'm battery no son,
bambari bamba, she want to run away. Bambari bamba, bambari bamba, she want to run away. Bambari bamba.
The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam, oh. The table has turned around, don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina.
You forgot what's your name.
Gina Meremo.
You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. Gina Meremo.
You forgot what's your name.
You forgot what's your name.
You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition.
Of ambition.
Destroy,
destroy,
destroy.
You put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition.
Gina Meremo.
Destroy,
with your ambition.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina Meremo.
You forgot what's your name.
Gina Meremo.
You put yourself in trouble.
The bed.
Of ambition.
Of ambition.
Quite an unrepentant fellow you are. What do I do with you? Mr. Head, I think she needs some head.
She needs some head.
Yeah, she needs some head.
A severe punishment. She needs a dose of it.
No! I don't need head.
You need...
I don't need any head. I don't need any head. No, I don't need head. No, I don't need head. I'm sorry, no, I don't need head. No, I don't need any head. Please stop it. I don't need head.
The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam, oh. The table has turned around, don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina.
You forgot what's your name.
Gina Meremo.
You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. Gina Meremo.
You forgot what's your name.
You forgot what's your name.
You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition.
Of ambition.
Destroy,
destroy,
destroy.
You put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition.
Gina Meremo.
Destroy,
with your ambition.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina Meremo.
You forgot what's your name.
Gina Meremo.
You put yourself in trouble.
The bed.
Of ambition.
Of ambition.
Destroy,
destroy,
destroy.
You have lost all.
Of ambition.
Gina Meremo.
Destroy, destroy.
Severally, she has shown bad qualities of one who deserves to be enlisted as a staff this home. Over and over again, she has gone against the laid down rules and regulations of this home. She has tried to escape several times against my warnings and instructions. If nothing serious is done in her case, we might wake up one morning to discover that she has influenced the rest of the staffs a great deal in a negative way. And that, sir, I won't take from any staff.
You are the supervisor in this house, right? That simply means it's in your jurisdiction to make sure that everyone is discharging their duties diligently. True or false? In her case, what do you want?
Sir, permit me to carry out more disciplinary actions on her. That way, she will learn to be diligent at work. Thank you, sir. Follow me.
Georgina, the table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam. Oh. The table has turned around, don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina.
Okay. I have news for you all, good news and bad news. But first, let's start with the good news. Choma, Caroline, and Jumbo, your duties have been relieved of you. But at the end of the month, you all get your salaries. And that's because your duties have been directed to someone else. And the bad news. Should I call it bad news? Or not really though. Georgina Chinemelum Ibekwe. In the next 1 month, you will be carrying out the duties of the chef, the cleaner, and the gatesman. In addition to your job as the driver. That's the punishment you get for going against the rules and regulations guiding this home. And as well trying to escape when the contract you signed here hasn't elapsed. Do not let anyone remind you of your duties. Stick to your job specifications as mentioned. Failure to adhere would attract huge consequences. And your time starts now.
The table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam. Oh. The table has turned around, don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. You forgot you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy with your ambition. You forgot you put yourself in trouble. You claim what you know be. You have seen what you brought up on yourself. You forgot you put yourself in trouble.
trouble.
Debate.
Of ambition. Destroy.
You have lost all
of ambition. Destroy.
You want a good life. By the grace of God, it was given to you. But with your evil character, you destroy what God gave to you. Now you want to run away. Now you want to run away. Apatari no son,
Bambari. She want to run away. Bambari.
Apatari no son,
Bambari. She want to run away. Bambari.
Apatari no son,
Bambari. She want to run away. Bambari. She want to run away. Bambari.
The devil has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam, oh. The devil has turned around, don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble
of ambition. Destroy.
You put yourself in trouble
of ambition. Destroy
with your ambition.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
You claim what you know be. You have seen what you brought up on yourself.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy.
You have lost all
of ambition. Destroy.
You want a good life. By the grace of God, it was given to you. But with your evil character, you destroy what God gave to you. Now you want to run away. Now you want to run away. Apatari no son,
Bambari. She want to run away. Bambari.
Apatari no son,
She want to run away. Bambari.
Apatari no son,
She want to run away. Bambari. She want to run away. Bambari.
The devil has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam, oh. The devil has turned around, don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina, Chinemere,
Ifuga Kosiani,
you
put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition, destroy.
You put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition, destroy.
With your ambition.
Ifuga Kosiani, you put yourself in trouble.
You claim what you know be. You have seen what you brought up.
Why do you always sit all by yourself? Are you okay? Are you sure you're okay? You're shivering and you're crying. Are you sure you're okay? Your temperature is... Oh my goodness, your running temperature. I think you need to go see a doctor. Come on, you have to. Oh my goodness. Your running temperature, seriously. Okay, can we just go inside? Let's go inside. You're shivering. It's cold out here. Let's go inside, please. Just come, okay?
Georgina, the table has turned around, so don't cry. No be you say you be madam. Oh. The table has turned around. Don't cry. It's all your fault, Georgina.
Ifuga Kosiani,
Chinemere,
you put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. Chinemere,
Ifuga Kosiani, you put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition, destroy.
You put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition, destroy.
With your ambition.
Ifuga Kosiani, you put yourself in trouble.
You claim what you know be. You have seen what you brought up on yourself.
Ifuga Kosiani, you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy.
You have lost all.
Of ambition, destroy.
What you are looking for is at your closest. Don't you see it? The good heart you are looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel with good heart. She's an angel with good heart. Can't you see her? She was falling for you. She's deeply in love. She's an angel. She has fallen in love with you. With your whole heart.
She's an angel, angel with good heart. What you are looking for is at your closest. Don't you see it? The good heart you're looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel.
Auntie, you're here. Would you want me to help you out with anything?
Oh, no, absolutely not. I actually came to see if I can help you with something.
Help me with something? No, please, Auntie, please, no. Like, I wouldn't even allow you to touch the least of pin here.
Why?
In
Why
this
not?
No.
I'm just trying to help.
No!
I insist.
No, please.
You're not going to say no now, would you?
They will sack me, and I don't want that.
Nobody's getting sacked. Please.
I still insist, no. Well, moreover, Auntie, you're really lucky.
Lucky?
Yes.
Why would you say that?
I mean, which lady will have a guy in her life and not say she's lucky? You are lucky.
Oh, really? Tell me about yourself.
Honestly, there is really nothing to say about me.
Come on, there must be something. Anything.
That's why I dropped out of school. My mother's health grew so critical. We needed some money to foot her hospital bill. And so I decided to apply here as a cook. Luckily for me, I got employed.
And that's the reason you must find a rich man to foot your bills now, isn't it?
Ma?
Including your boss. I see how you look at him. At every given opportunity. With fire in your eyes. Fire of love. That worker who crushes on her boss, not minding his relationship status, must have some balls. Be careful, my dear.
What you are looking for is at your closest. Don't you see it? The good heart you're looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel. Angel, it's good heart. She's an angel, angel, with good heart. Can't you see her? She was falling for you, falling for you. She's deeply in love. She's an angel. She has fallen in love with you, with your whole heart. angel with good heart. She's an angel, angel with good heart. At your closest, come to see it. The good heart you're looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel, angel with good heart. She's an angel, angel with good heart. Can't you see her? She was falling for you, falling for you. She's deeply in love. She's an angel. Fall in love with you, with your whole heart. She's an angel, angel with good heart. She's an angel, angel with good heart. Is at your closest, come to see it. The good heart you're looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel, angel with good heart. She's an angel, angel with good heart. Can't you see her? She was falling for you, falling for you. She's deeply in love. She's an angel. Fall in love with you, with your whole heart. She's an angel, angel with good heart. She's an angel, angel with good heart. Is at your closest. Don't you see it? The good heart you're looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel, angel with good heart. She's an angel, angel with good heart. Can't you see her? She was falling for you.
How much is your salary? Okay, let's say in a year, how much do you earn here as salary?
Ma, I hope I'm not in trouble.
He has told me so much about you. How you were with him during his rainy days in this home. 1,001 quality in you that every man would yearn for in a woman he wants to be with. And for that, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you very much. I see how you look at him consistently, not minding my presence. Not minding that we've had this conversation before. You love him, right? I asked a question. Do you love him?
Yes. No, I don't.
Yes, no. The mouth says something different, and the eyes says another. I am a woman, so I can tell. But that's not even the purpose of this conversation. What would you have me do with you right now?
Madam, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please. I don't mean to aggravate your anger, please. I'm sorry. Don't sack me, please. I need this money. I need this pay. Please, I told you about my mother. My mother is very ill and I am the breadwinner of my family. Please, I need this job. I'm sorry, Ma. Please, I'm sorry. Please. I'm deeply sorry.
The table has turned around. Don't cry, it's all your fault, Georgina.
Hello, madam. Ekason, good afternoon. Abeg, no vex.
Auntie, good afternoon. How you doing?
Fine. Auntie, abeg, I want to ask you a question. No feel embarrassed.
No wahala.
Abeg, if you borrow me 500, I go pay you back. Yes. Since yesterday, I never eat anything. Abeg, nothing come out. I used to go pay you. Abeg. Forget, no, they look me like nothing come. Abeg.
Hey, auntie. If you wan tell me say I be poor church rat, you no go give me sign. Allow the poor to breathe Tikwanu. I wish one be say ma dash you 500 naira. No be dey waka about the dash people 100k, 200k, 500k.
Madam, no be me oh. I don't see the 100k before. Madam, look me for head to toe. Nothing come out oh. Me, but me Yahweh me Lola. You go ask me where I don't see the 100k before. They go dash wetin they come. No be me. You see all this say for here? Now packaging, see. Now week, see. Foam day. You know the two bounce. Check am. See. If not, all the nothing day. Everything na borrow. Now make me they look back before we get out. Go embarrass me. I used to go beg you, I beg. Help my condition. It's very.
No be you be Lola, baby.
Yeah. Come on, me. You know me. You know me. I don't know say you know me, but okay, fine. See, my just open up. Like I say, everything in the package, nothing come out. I beg, on God, I never eat. I used to go beg. You help my life. I beg. Man, no go die. Yes, I died. When you know, like, I beg. Don't tell your Lord, move along. I beg. I beg.
Hey, auntie, I don't even know why my mind they tell me say this auntie won't stand before me like this. Won't bless me. Won't dash me 100k today. Hey, auntie, bless your baby now. Do something.
Yeah.
Only 100 times I don't do.
Yeah. I used to go beg you, hunger. Yeah.
Not be me and you, oh.
My tummy they bite me, I beg. My tummy they bite me, I beg. Mother, oh Jesus. I want card to come. Hello. Hey.
Hello, Zaddy. Zaddy, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. Zaddy, please, forgive me. See, Zaddy, the relationship I found myself in, they don't pursue me come back. Oh. I don't come back. I am sorry. See, I am now available, very much available for you. Please. I have realized that you're the only man that knows how to love, that knows how to take care of me. Zaddy, please, take me back. Please. Zaddy, please, I am available now. Come and take me. I'm ready to follow you to that trip. The trip I said I was not going to follow you to. I'm ready now. I've come to my senses and you're the only one I love. Zaddy. Hello? Zaddy? Hello, Zaddy? Yay. What do I do now? Try calling him again.
Hey! Fake life. You think I be your mate, Abi? Fake life. You think I be your mate just because of the way you wear clothes, they wear wig. Come carry us, they do curry. Babe, now God go punish fake life. Wallahi, fake life no good. Èmi láyé mi. Tori fake life. Oh, one for me, Aza, up and down, middle and center. Because of fake life, babe, nobody feel help us. Because of fake life, we no fit go knock neighbor, we go wear wig. Everything what they do, na borrow post. Reach on this, even pants, so it no be these three. They no say Coco Day. All na borrow post. Fake life not better for you. Fake life, if I catch you, if I swear for you, it go catch you. Join your generation. I just they look you. No be say I don't know where na dey stay. I know, but I not talk. You no go better for your generation. Fake life than me talk. Not be your fault. Not be your fault. I swear.
See, I don't even tire for your mosquito cry for my ear. Fake life. Now who introduced me, Lisa, for this fake life? Not be you, Lisa. When they form say you be Lisa, when they don't know say you be Omo Yoruba Lola. Because what did they say? Lisa, you be Lola Yoruba girl. You introduced me to this fake life. I did my day. You come and tell me say fake life good. You need to fake it till you make it. No. We are don't make am now. This stuff when I borrow am. This makeup na borrow am. Every day with the yarn up, with the run. I don't even feel like sleep well. Now you cause all these things. Now you give me this thing. I just think every day because of this level don't put me inside. You don't happy, Abby? No. Now my God go judge you, Lola. My God go judge you.
That's why your mouth not remain the same. Anyway, what be taking? Not be fake life. You live when we dey chop chicken, you dey happy for fake life. I introduce you be small picking. You want sit down and fold like idiot. They blame me. You carry face like which I don't know. You dey blame me now. Say fake life not good. Fake life not good. When we dey live and you dey happy your teeth like goats. You know don't be now so they blame me. You be small picking. No, you be small picking. So I go say me go point for fire now. You go point for fire. Má jẹ́ ṣépè fún ẹ o. Don't let me swear for you. Tí bá dé ṣépè fún ẹ. O ma you kò ní dá fún ẹ.
Onyala.
O lo
fake life. Onyala get boy isi ya.
Olórí ibú.
Àwọn tó akuju pa go no e ba.
Kuju ìwọ náà lo sha sínú òsì. Aba sọ mo ni o mo sọ̀rọ̀.
Ó ṣe ahun gbogi.
Gbogi gbogbo ajokuta ma mu mi. That is why all of na Igbo and I dey thick can and I will chop stone and I no go drink water. Tó bá say get kwan. Keep that thing that I'll call the guy wey borrow cloth take go collect an idiot. Olóṣì olórí ibú wo apma apia fimile má jẹ́ sọ Igbo tí mi ò yay ebi wà hunger dey Lizzy ebi wà hunger dey ó ti jẹ gbogbo intestine mi don chop all my intestine this hunger dey
ṣé bí má don dey run since ọbọbọ òsì orí òpè dey shake breast now hunger don dey wire you never even start and dey talk of peace of mind wey be say we go fit sleep.
So don't cry, no be you say you be madam oh. The table has turned around. Don't cry, it's all your fault, Georgina.
You forgot what's your name.
You
put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition. Destroy.
You put yourself in trouble.
Of ambition. Destroy.
With your ambition.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
You claim what you know be. You have seen what you brought up on yourself.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy.
You have lost all
of ambition. Destroy.
You want a good life. By the grace of God, it was given to you. But with your evil character, you destroy what God gave to you. Now you want to run away. Now you want to run away. Apateriano son,
She want to run
Apateriano son, Apateriano son,
She want to run
Apateriano son. Don't cry, no be you say you be madam oh. The table has turned around. Don't cry, it's all your fault, Georgina.
You forgot what's your name. You put yourself in trouble.
Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina, Chinemere, if you got you put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. With your ambition, if you got put yourself in trouble. You claim what you know be. You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Chinemere, if you got you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition, destroy. You have lost all of ambition. Destroy. At your closest, don't you see it? The good heart you're looking for is right there beside you. She has all the quality. She's an angel with good heart. She's an angel with good heart. Can't you see her? She was falling for you. She's deeply in love. She's an angel. She was falling in love with you, with your whole heart.
Then what are you doing on the floor? Get up and join the rest.
At your closest, come to see it. The good heart you are looking for is right there beside you. She knows all your quality. She's an angel. It's good love. She's an angel on the road. Don't cry, it's all your fault, Georgina. You forgot what's happening. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble with your character, Georgina. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. Put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble.
Thank you. Thanks for believing in me. Thanks for being part of my amazing journey. Especially to my brother and friend, in whom I'm well pleased. I'm talking about Ken. Thanks for all you did. It's my pleasure. A big shout out to my cousin, Nena. She has always been there for me. And she did her part too. Thank you, basically. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Let me start by doubling your salaries. Yes. Your salaries are hereby doubled. That's one. Then in life, wherever you find yourself, if you must be anything, be kind. try and be kind because life is unpredictable and nobody knows tomorrow. Any moment from now, my parents will be flying in. Yes. So, as far as I'm concerned, they are free to stay as long as they can. And as for you, I'm doubling everybody's salary except you. Yes. Because I want my parents to test run you. Once they approve your stay, I can now start paying you. But you can still choose to run. Yes. I'm not forcing you to stay.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay?
I can run if I want to.
You want to run?
Yes. Yes.
Run.
I want to run. I want to run. I want to.
She's honest, don't cry. No be you say you'll be my dad. Thank you. The devil is strong. Run. Don't cry. It's all your fault. Georgina. If you love us, Gina Meremo. You put yourself in trouble. You put yourself in trouble. It's your daughter. Georgina. Gina Meremo. If you got Gosiadi. If you got Gosiadi. You are looking for is at your closet.
Once again, thank you. Thank you very much.
It's right there. Gina Meremo. If you got Gosiadi. If you got Gosiadi. You put yourself in trouble. Now you put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. You put yourself in trouble. Of ambition. Destroy. With your ambition. You forgot Gosiadi. You put yourself in trouble. You claim where do you know be? You have seen what you brought up on yourself. Gina Meremo. You forgot Gosiadi.